you guys. Trying to do a quick pour today. It's in the morning. Trying to get the camera straight. I'm sorry. I don't think the camera's right. Okay, so today I'm just going to try to do 2 quick pours. And on this side, I have some colors I'm not too sure about. I've never tried that color combination before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. If it doesn't turn out the way I like, then I'm going to have to redo it. But on this side, I'm going to do this side first. So I have Paynes Gray, okay? And then I just have lime green, okay? That's Craftsmart. The Paynes Gray is Arteza. So that's going to be our base. Okay, so we're just going to spread it. And I don't have the towels like from Home Depot and Lowe's that are white. I have these towels because they were gifted to me and they work just fine for me. So I don't like to, they are a little bit bigger than the ones you get from Lowe's and Home Depot. They're not 4 inches. They're like 4.5 inches. So I like to get some of my paint on the back because the corking that you put on the back for the coasters does not fully cover the towel, and I do not like the way that looks. So I just like to make sure that my paint covers the top parts and the edges that the corking doesn't cover. That's just the way I do mine. So I know a lot of people like the clean lines. I do too, but this one looks a little, it's not white. You see here? It's not very white, so I don't like it. That's just my personal preference. Okay, I don't have much time. I'm trying to squeeze this in, you guys, before I go to work. I know. I don't know why I like to do this. Something about it. I guess it must be gives me a good feeling. I like to do this painting, and it gives me a good start. So I'm going to say that's why I do it. And do a little center. This one's going to be quick because it doesn't have as much paint to go on it. Hopefully it turns out good. When I brush, nothing seems to ever turn out right. And that's just a white titanium, Amsterdam white titanium cell activator, okay? Okay. Okay, it doesn't look like it's going to spread anymore. I do like it. Just wish that it would have spread it a little bit more. And I have a cup attached to me, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get started on the next one. We pray that this one turns out right. So this one, I want to do the base in the Craftsmart Champagne Gold. Okay. And it's a good little bit of metallics in this one, so I don't know what I'm going to end up with. It may be a disaster. If so, I'll just have to redo this one at a later time. I'm trying to do like some last minute little gifts. And I should have did these ahead of time, but I was just doing too much stuff. So, you know, our days can get very busy. I have to remember to keep it in the frame. I'm sorry, I did that on my last video. The camera is down a little bit lower than I normally do, so I'm not used to it, and I keep getting out of the frame. Okay, let's put a little bit more on here. I just used my fingers because they were the quickest thing I could find. Let's see what we end up with. I think I have too many colors. Okay, now I'm going to try the 24 karat gold. I have the Decoart white pearl. Had some of this paint sitting for a while, so hopefully it doesn't come out as a clump. It's barely, but it's coming. Okay. Then I have the Folkart Antique Copper. And last, we have the Craftsmart Grape Taffy. I'm going to try the white cell activator. Don't know what it's going to turn out like. Maybe beautiful, maybe a disaster. Okay, tried to spread it some more. It moved some more, but not as much as I wanted, but it's not bad. It's very different. I wouldn't never chose those colors, but hey, what can I say? It's a different color combo that I've never had before, so it works. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down to let you see. Yep. I would have did that, hit the coaster, but I may have just hit the end, so didn't really hurt anything. But I did hit it. Now I have paint hands. Let's see. I really want that to go a little bit more. Doesn't look like I'm making it any better. Oh, getting paint on my face. I'm going to stop. I don't have much time to play with you guys. Let me bring you down. Okay, here they are. This is the first one. Number 1. And this is number 2. All right, there you go, you guys. Just a quick video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscription button. And remember to hit that notification bell so that you will receive the notification once a new video is posted. Until the next time, you guys.